graph the equation, identify the vertices, co-vertices, and foci of the ellipse. This is the 9.4 practice number 1. So if the very first thing you want to identify is it going to be vertical or is it going to be horizontal? So if you look at the numbers underneath your x squared and your y squared, notice that your number underneath the y squared is larger. So I know that my a value is always going to be the largest. Since the number underneath y is larger, then that's going to make this a vertical. So that's the first thing I want to identify is this vertical or horizontal? By knowing that it's vertical, that's going to help me identify my vertices, co-vertices, and my foci. So I want to find my vertices. Vertices are always on the major axis, and since this is vertical, we know that our major axis is the y-axis. So we know we're going to have 0 plus and minus a. The a squared is 36. So if the a squared is 36, we would take the square root, and that would give us plus and minus 6. The b value is under the x squared. You would take the square root. This is x squared over b squared. So the b value would be 4. So for the co-vertices, it's going to be plus and minus b plus minus 4, 0. In order to get the foci, I need to know what c is. So I'm going to use a squared minus b squared is equal to c squared. So 36 take away 16 is equal to c squared. So 20 is equal to c squared. So I know that c is going to be plus and minus square root of 20. So that'll be 2 square root of 5. So for the foci, now your focus are always on the same axis as your vertices. So we know that it's going to be on the y-axis, making the x value 0, and then we'll have plus and minus 2 square root of 5. The 2 square root of 5, okay, that's square root of 20, so that's approximately 4.5-ish. So it's 4.472. So for our graphing purposes, approximately 4.5. All right, so to graph, we're going to go 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. Positive 4, 0. Negative 4, 0. These are approximately 4.5, so about there and about there. Then do your best to draw through. And that's it.